Hey there, fellow WordPress enthusiasts. Andrea here. As a freelancer, juggling design development and client management, I know firsthand the struggle of balancing multiple projects at once. But today, I'm letting you in on my secret that transformed my workflow and doubled my client satisfaction. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's dive into the magical world of InstaWP, a tool that has become my go-to for faster, easier, and stress-free WordPress development. So let's kick things off with one of my favorite InstaWP features, instant staging sites. Imagine setting up a fully fledged WordPress environment in just a click. Typically, creating a staging site can take up to 3 to 4 hours of setup, testing, and configuration. But with InstaWP, it's literally done in seconds. Talk about a game changer, right? InstaWP's staging sites are like my creative background, where I can test, tweak, and experiment without fear of breaking a live site. I can build a complex design or even test a plugin in a risk-free environment, saving me hours of potential rework, which can be such a nightmare. Think of this feature as your backstage pass, where you can make all the adjustments that you need before presenting the final product. With InstaWP, I have easily saved over 3 hours per project on just staging alone. Now that's a superpower. Now here's the kicker, InstaWP's templates, which is feature 2. And imagine if you could replicate your best designs in just a click. That is what templates do actually. For each new client, I start with a base template that's tailored to their industry. This alone has cut my development time by half. Think of it like cloning your best work, but in a way that feels fresh and unique for every project. So instead of building from scratch, I start with a foundation that is already optimized, tested, tried and tested, which has helped me handle more clients without burning me out. Using templates has saved me 5 to 6 hours on each new client project. In a month, that is almost an entire day of work reclaimed. It's like having an assistant doing the heavy lifting for you. And if you're ready to give InstaWP a try, here's an exclusive offer for my YouTube family. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off our monthly plans for the next 6 months. Trust me, this is worth every penny. And one of my biggest wins with InstaWP, client previews. And this is feature number 3. Studies show that clients are 40% more likely to approve a project when they can see a live demo. So InstaWP allows me to share a link to a staging site with clients. They get to interact with the site like it's an actual live site, seeing exactly what they are getting. It's like giving them VIP preview before a big launch. And I have found that clients love this approach quite a lot. It's boosted my project approval by 40%. No more back and forth emails or vague explanations. InstaWP brings it all to life. Feature number 4. Now, if you're like me, juggling multiple projects, InstaWP's centralized dashboard is a lifesaver. Over 60% of freelancers say managing project organization is one of the top stressors. Well, not anymore. InstaWP keeps everything in one place. I can access all my client sites, monitor progress, and even track site performance without hunting through tabs or documents to find any of my ongoing project. This organization alone saves me 2 hours every week. It's like having an air traffic controller for my project. I get clarity, I get control, and I get peace of mind and no more chaos. Feature number 5. Let's talk hosting. InstaWP's managed hosting is optimized for WordPress development, which means high performance, ironclad security, and zero downtime during updates. Did you know that 60% of clients worry about site downtime during updates? InstaWP's hosting offers advanced caching, DDoS protection, and automated backup. Features that keep my client sites secured, fast, and resilient. Clients are impressed, and I feel secure knowing that their sites are in good hands. Plus, with real-time updates, there's no waiting around. Changes happen instantly, and my clients appreciate the reliability and the speed. And client satisfaction is through the roof. Feature number 6. And here's something that every freelancer should consider: offering websites as a service. With InstaWP, I can turn one-time project into long-term revenue by offering clients monthly maintenance, updates, and hosting, all on InstaWP's platform. It's a way of keeping clients engaged even after the project is done. InstaWP makes it easy to create recurring revenue, which is a huge plus for freelancers looking to stabilize income. I have built lasting client relationships and boosted my revenue significantly with this approach, all thanks to InstaWP. And last but not least, feature number 7. And finally, InstaWP staging to live transitions. With InstaWP, I can move updates from staging to live without downtime. It's fast, smooth, and worry-free. No more stressful site launches or late-night updates. InstaWP's transitions are seamless, and my clients love the peace of mind knowing their live sites stay intact during updates. Studies show that 60% of clients worry about site downtime during updates, and InstaWP eliminates that worry entirely. I can update with confidence, and so can my clients. So let's wrap it up. InstaWP has completely transformed my workflow and client satisfaction. From instant staging sites to managed hosting and effortless updates, InstaWP is truly a game changer for freelancers like us. If you are ready to level up your freelance business, try InstaWP and experience the difference yourself. And don't forget, use code YouTube50 to get 50% off our monthly plans for the next 6 months. This is your chance to streamline, impress, and scale with InstaWP. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips. I'll see you in the next one. Keep shining and keep building. Bye.